A marketing manager found her biggest competitor's fatal mistake, one error that would cost them a $500,000 contract. Her own company was bidding for the same deal. Staying quiet meant guaranteed victory. Instead, she picked up the phone and called them directly. Her team was furious. Her boss was confused. Everyone thought she'd lost her mind, but she couldn't win by watching someone else fail on a technicality. The competitor fixed their proposal. Her company still won the contract anyway, but now the whole industry was talking. Word spread about what she'd done, about her character. 3 months later, that same competitor called with an unexpected offer, a merger. They said they never met anyone with that kind of integrity. They wanted her values leading their combined companies. The merger created something bigger than either firm could have built alone. Her colleagues finally understood. She didn't just win one contract that day. She won something much more valuable. Respect that opened doors she never knew existed. One phone call changed everything.